Identity operators in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we will discuss the identity operators in Python programming language in detail. Python programming language offers some special types of operators, like the identity operator or the membership operator. There are two types of identity operators in Python programming language. They are is and is not, and they are used to check if two values or two variables are located on the same part of the memory. Also, you should know that two variables that are equal doesn't imply that they are identical. Let's see this in action by taking an example. We have two variables here, x and y, and the value of x variable is equal to 5, and the value of y variable is equal to 10. And we have two identity operations here. X is not y and we got true in this case. X is y and we got false in this case. The is operator, it returns true if the operands are identical or refer to the same object. And for the first print function here, we got true because the two operands x and y are not identical. Is not operator, it returns true if the operands are not identical or don't refer to the same object, like in that case. And for the second print function, x is y, we got false in this case, as you can see, because x is not y. It is a very simple operation, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.